Welcome, book lovers. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sharing your favorite books with friends only on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by accessing the website or launching the app. Step 2. Locate your profile photo in the top right corner and give it a click. Step 3. Click on your name to navigate to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, find and click on Check-ins. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the section titled Books. Click on the 3 dots icon next to it. Step 6. A menu will appear. Choose Edit Privacy to customize the privacy settings. Step 7. Look for the Like button and click on it. Step 8. From the drop-down menu, select Friends to ensure your book likes are shared exclusively with your friends. Step 9. Remember to save your changes by clicking on Save. Step 10. Finally, click on Close to exit the Privacy Settings menu. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to share books you like with friends only on Facebook using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy reading and sharing!